can you notice the difference between some of the labels on those graphs? It's really good, you've progressed really far quite quickly, but some of them are labelled differently to others. Can you see what that difference is?
That one, they're different.
Yeah. What do you reckon's been labelled on the red graph, and what do you reckon's been labelled on the brown graph?
On the brown graph, it's the equation.
Okay.
And was it the red one you said?
Yeah.
The red one's the X and Y coordinates, is it?
Yeah. If we're trying to find a model for this disease, the spread of these diseases, so that we can predict what's going to happen in the future, do you think we want to know which of those two labels do you think we're going to find most useful?
It's going to be the equation one, because you can just use it.
We can use it. How can we use it in a way that we maybe can't use the coordinate?
Because you could just type down any number for the equation, and you would find the result.
Yeah, and the result would be, what is the result? What does Y stand for in these models?
A number.
Yeah.
Say it was 21, so it'd be 21 equals x squared plus 2x minus 1.
Okay, and so if I wanted to find out how many cases of the disease there was in week 23, how could I do that using that function?
Would you do y equals 23 squared plus 2 times 23 minus 1?
Yeah, absolutely. Can you think how you could change the text box on the red graph to give the function of that graph as well?
Enter equation.
You'd have to know the equation. If you look back at the video, can you see there's a slight difference that you did between those two? So if you try and find how they've labelled that and see if you can spot what they did and repeat it.
This is very messy.
Great. What do you reckon you did?
I clicked on the dots, not the line.
Well, really well noticed.